Drupado Draupadeyascha Sarvashah Prithivipate Saubhadrascha Mahabahu Shankhandadmuh Prithak Prithak. This sloka vividly portrays the unity and readiness of the Pandava warriors. Drupada, a symbol of elder wisdom, stands at the forefront, representing experience and strategic insight. Beside him, the 5 sons of Draupadi embody the strength of familial bonds and a commitment to uphold their family's honor. And then there's Abhimanyu, youthful yet mighty, whose courage and skills symbolize the energy of the next generation. The act of blowing conches is more than a ceremonial gesture. It's a declaration of intent, an announcement of their presence, and a testament to their unwavering commitment to Dharma. The sound that fills the air resonates with determination and strikes a chord of both fear and respect among their adversaries. Placed in the build-up to the Great War, this sloka captures the moment when the Pandavas demonstrate their preparation and strength. Krishna, their charioteer and guide, stands as a beacon of divinity and righteousness, leading a virtuous army against the tyranny of the Kauravas. This moment is not just about the war. It is the beginning of Arjuna's inner turmoil, a conflict that gives rise to the Bhagavad Gita itself. The blowing of conches acts as a psychological strategy. It declares dominance and readiness, setting the stage for the intense battles ahead. More importantly, it reflects the timeless theme of Dharma, urging us to rise against injustice, even when the adversaries include those we love. Drupada's role in this moment is deeply symbolic. Once a friend and later an enemy of Dronacharya, his presence represents alliances forged for the greater good. Draupadi's sons carry the legacy of the Pandavas, symbolizing hope and continuity. Meanwhile, Abhimanyu, known for his mastery of the Chakravyuha and unmatched valor, embodies youthful brilliance and ultimate sacrifice. The blowing of conches is rooted in Vedic traditions, where sound is considered a medium for invoking divine energy. This act not only unifies the warriors, but also instills a divine confidence that propels them forward. It is a sound that resonates with Dharma, inspiring both their allies and future generations. What can this sloka teach us today? It's a reminder of the power of unity and preparation. Whether in personal battles or professional challenges, standing firm in our values and collaborating with those who share our vision is vital. Just as the Pandavas used the conches to declare their purpose, we too must announce our goals with confidence and align our efforts towards achieving them. This sloka inspires us to uphold Dharma in our own lives, to face challenges with courage, and to trust in the strength of righteous actions. The sound of those conches still echoes today, urging us to rise, unite, and conquer our fears. The Bhagavad Gita's teachings transcend time and space. As we reflect on this sloka, let us carry its lessons into our lives, becoming warriors of Dharma in our own right. Until next time, may wisdom guide your path. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, share it with friends, and subscribe with the bell on for more updates.